Hi, my name is Eric, and I've had the privilege of working with our Drury team for the past 30 years welcoming guests to our hotels. Drury Hotels started out as a family business, and to this day we remain family-owned and operated. We don't franchise, and that means you can be assured of cleanliness and consistency at every single one of our 150 locations.
Hello, I'm Hyan. We know that caring for your safety first begins with caring for our team members' safety. Every day, we screen our team members to ensure that they are symptom-free. In addition to that, we provide them with the tools they need, such as masks, gloves, and aprons, and the proper training to use them to ensure that they can protect themselves and you. In our current environment, social distancing is important to all of us. That's why when you visit Drury Hotels, you'll find signs and visual cues that will encourage 6 feet between you and others. When you stay with us, you'll likely see our team members hard at work using a detailed checklist to ensure all frequently touched areas, including handles, luggage carts, elevator buttons, and more, are disinfected frequently throughout the day.
Hi, my name is Lindsay, and I'm a general manager with Drury Hotels. We want you to feel safe from check-in to check-out and everywhere in between. We have redesigned the check-in process to reduce contact by implementing transparent shields, eliminating guest signatures, and encouraging electronic payment. Offering a free hot breakfast and 5:30 kickback is what you know us for, and that hasn't changed. Our cleaning products have been approved by the CDC and EPA, and our housekeeping teams have been given additional training focused on cleaning and disinfecting every area of your room.
As you can tell, our Drury team has been working hard to prepare for your next visit. And as things change, we'll make sure we keep you up to date. But one thing is not going to change, and that's our commitment to make sure that when you stay with us, the hotel is clean, our team is friendly, and you get the value that you've come to expect from a Drury hotel. So, thank you for choosing Drury Hotels, and we look forward to your next visit.